I've been walking past this 90s model Jeep for 10 years in my neighborhood. I've been waiting to run into the owner, but he's never outside. I've left several post-it notes on the Jeep asking if I can buy it. He finally called me and said he's ready to sell. So I went over to look at the Jeep. Right in the middle of our conversation, he says, "I also have a Corvette in the garage." I thought, no way. He opened the garage and there it sat, my first barn find, a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette LS3. My heart started pounding as I looked at this black-on-black beauty. He parked it there 10 years ago and never started it again. I offered to buy both and he said I had to pick just one. So I left the Jeep behind and I towed the Corvette to my shop. I immediately put a new battery in it, but it wouldn't start. I diagnosed it as needing a new ECM and installed one, then programmed it, started right up. My guys did a tune-up on it and replaced all the fluids with Justice Brothers chemicals. I've used them for years, they come with a warranty and they work really great. The tires were dry rotted and flat spotted. I replaced them with Nitto's 305/35 ZR19 for the rear, which is a little bit bigger than the originals, but worked great. I powder coated the wheels black and it drives fantastic. Thanks for listening to my first barn find story.